we have here. Today, folks, we're going to do something a little bit different, okay? I've got pieces of chicken that I'm going to be grilling, okay? Real nice. So for starters, we're going to pour a little bit of oil on this, okay? We're going to just get them coated a little bit. We're going to mix it all in the batch. So we're going to rub that on the chicken here. That's all we're going to do. Get a coating. Alright, now we're also going to add just a little bit of garlic pepper, man. Just a little bit of garlic pepper. Swish it around. Okay. And of course we want some of this beautiful, beautiful chili powder. Alright. Gives it color as well as some flavor. Okay. Alright. I think we're just about ready. Okay. The grill is hot. I'm at 350. And I'm going to lower it just a little bit. Okay. Because I don't want these to cook too fast. Alright, we're going to lay them on the grill. Okay. Oh yeah. We're going to close it up for just a minute. Okay, what do you say we make our either a dipping sauce or a sauce that you want to put on your fork while you eat that nice chicken. Okay, I have scallion onions here. I have some ginger. And it's all done to taste, okay? Put some ginger in there. Mix it up a little bit. And a good friend of mine turned me on to this. Put some oil. Now I'm going to do this. And we're going to add as we go. Okay? Okay. Now we're going to take a little bit of salt. Salt to taste. Oh yeah, look at beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, I'm going to set that aside now. That's done. Okay, and we're going to turn our chicken. Okay, oh yeah. Sizzling chicken, look at that, so good. Okay, the chicken's almost done. So now, I'm gonna baste it with a little soy sauce and triple ginger sauce. Not much, I'm just gonna put it on there, okay. Oh yeah, that looks so good. Okay, it's time to baste it again. Just a light coat. And this is almost done. Alright, chicken is done. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh my God. Now, my rice is in the house, so when I eat this, I'm going to serve it on a bed of rice. Okay. Okay. But I'm just going to put a few pieces on there for now. Okay, we're going to let that sit for just a little bit. Cool off. Okay. Okay. Let's see if we got to add a little more salt to this or what. Yes, folks. There you have it. Look at that. Oh, man, that's delicious. Yeah. Here we go, folks. The taste test, okay? Look at that. I like my chicken very well done. Don't mind the fingers, but they're my fingers. Okay? Oh, yeah. I'm going to put some more in that. Oh, that tastes so good. Bill, thank you for turning me on to this simple recipe for the dip. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Grilled chicken pieces with triple ginger sauce, a little soy sauce mixture for a basting. And for that dip, I have scallion onions, some ginger, some good olive oil, and a little salt to taste. And that's all you need. And a very good friend of mine turned me on to that. And it's so simple to make, but yet it tastes so awesome.